Austin, Texas, with its mix of scorching summers, mild winters, and unpredictable weather, presents unique challenges for homeowners when it comes to maintaining a comfortable, energy-efficient home. One of the most important elements to consider for any home in the area is choosing the right windows. Windows of Austin are designed specifically to address the needs of Texas's diverse climate, offering benefits that go beyond aesthetics to improve energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term durability. If you're looking to upgrade your windows, here's why Windows of Austin are the ideal choice for homes in Texas. Energy efficiency for year-round comfort. One of the most significant concerns for homeowners in Austin is managing energy costs. Summers in Texas can be brutal, with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and winters, though mild, still require heating systems to maintain comfort. Traditional windows, especially single-pane glass, allow heat to pass through easily, causing your home to heat up quickly in summer and lose warmth during the cooler months. Windows of Austin are built with energy-efficient features that make a noticeable difference in your home's comfort. Many of these windows are equipped with double or triple glazing, which consists of multiple panes of glass with insulating gas between them, such as argon or krypton. This design significantly reduces heat transfer, ensuring that your home stays cooler during the summer and warmer during the winter. By limiting the amount of outside air that enters or escapes, these windows help reduce the need for excessive air conditioning or heating, which can lower your energy bills. UV protection for interior preservation. The Texas sun can be harsh, and prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause fading and damage to your furniture, flooring, and artwork. Over time, the sun's ultraviolet rays break down the materials inside your home, causing discoloration and wear. Windows of Austin are designed to combat this issue. Many of these windows come with low E-glass coatings, which reflect harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to enter your home. This not only helps protect your interior furnishings from sun damage but also maintains the brightness of your indoor spaces without the need for heavy curtains or blinds. With UV-blocking windows, you can enjoy the beauty of the natural light without worrying about the fading effects of the sun. Weather resistance for Austin's unpredictable climate. Texas weather can be unpredictable, with sudden shifts from intense heat to cooler spells, as well as the occasional storm or even hail. Windows that aren't built to withstand such changes may warp, crack, or even fail to seal properly over time. Windows of Austin are designed to endure the demands of the local climate. Many of these windows are made with durable materials, such as fiberglass or vinyl, which are resistant to warping, rotting, and fading. These materials also offer better insulation and are less likely to be affected by the extreme heat and humidity of Austin summers. Moreover, windows from reputable local brands often come with impact-resistant glass, which helps protect your home from severe weather events, such as hailstorms or high winds. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Whether you live in a busy downtown area, near a highway, or in a neighborhood with a lot of foot traffic, noise pollution can be a problem. Windows that don't provide adequate insulation can allow street noise to seep into your home, disturbing your peace and quiet. Windows of Austin offer excellent soundproofing capabilities. Many of these windows come with multi-pane glass that reduces the amount of external noise that enters your home. The extra layers of glass, along with special gas fills between panes, help to dampen sound, providing a more peaceful indoor environment. Whether you're looking to sleep, work, or simply enjoy some quiet time, noise-reducing windows will make your home a more serene place to live. Increased home value and aesthetics. Aesthetics play an important role in any home improvement project, and windows are no exception. In a city like Austin, where modern, eco-friendly homes and historic properties coexist, the right windows can elevate your home's curb appeal and increase its value. Windows of Austin offer a wide range of styles and designs that complement the architecture of any home, from traditional to contemporary. Whether you're looking for sleek, modern windows or something more classic, these windows come in a variety of materials and finishes that suit your taste and improve your home's exterior appearance. Upgrading to energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing windows can make your home stand out in the neighborhood, potentially raising its market value when it's time to sell. Low maintenance for long-term durability. Living in Austin means you're likely to deal with fluctuating weather patterns, from hot and humid summers to cool, rainy winters. This can put a strain on your windows over time, leading to the need for frequent maintenance and repairs. Windows of Austin are designed to be low maintenance and durable. Many are made from vinyl or fiberglass, materials that don't require constant painting or sealing. These materials are resistant to moisture, rot, and fading, making them an ideal choice for Austin's variable climate. With proper installation, your new windows will perform efficiently for years without requiring regular upkeep, saving you time and money on maintenance. Conclusion. Windows of Austin are the ideal choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency, comfort, and aesthetic appeal in Texas's unique climate. From superior insulation and UV protection to noise reduction and weather resistance, these windows are built to perform in both the scorching heat of summer and the mild winter months. Plus, their low maintenance and durable materials ensure that you can enjoy long-term savings and peace of mind. Whether you're renovating an older home or building a new one, Windows of Austin offer the perfect combination of style, functionality, and energy savings. Investing in the right windows is one of the best ways to improve your home's performance and comfort while adding value and enhancing its beauty.